Hey guys, we are going to learn the word that is unvoiced and voice. This is the type of a sound which is used in phonetics and phonology. That first sound of this that is P. How to pronounce the P? That is P. 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 Means whenever you are going to see that P, there is no vibration in your throat. Like see P, 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 P. You never feel here vibration. That time this is a unvoiced. There is no voice. There is no vibration in your throat whenever you are going to say that P, P, P. Now second one is B. See B. Means lips movement is same, but the pronunciation is different. By this, that vibration means this is a voice sound. Means when you feel here vibration, that time we need to know about one thing. This is vibration. Means this is a voice sound because you will feel here vibration. See, b, 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 b. Big, like this. Third one is F. This is also unvoiced sound. See, you can say that. Means ear will go downside here. Yeah. Yeah. See, that time there is no vibration also in here. See, you can see here. Fan, 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 fan. Like this. So fourth one is that vibrate words. That like pronunciation is the same, but that vibration style is different. Like see, V. V. See, here that if you said F, that time the ear will be downside. See, ear, downside, downside. But if you are going to say that V, 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 directly see, V, 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 V. And that time when you are going to see that V, that time you will feel a vibration. V, 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 van, 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 van. So this is the type of that voice sound and unvoiced sound. Means whenever you feel that there is a vibration, that time we need to know about that this is a voice. And if you're not feeling here vibration, that time we have to know about this. This is an unvoiced sound. So these two types we learn here in this video. If you learn something from this video, click the subscribe button, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.